Are you tired of AI agents giving you different answers to the same question? Today, we're exploring how North52's Decision Suite can bring deterministic, 100% consistent results to your Microsoft Dataverse AI agent. Let's dive into how we do this with XRM Formula Sample 294. Here's the challenge. AI, large language models, are inherently probabilistic. They're fantastic for creative tasks, but when you need fast, consistent, accurate results for business-critical decisions, that uncertainty becomes a problem. But what if you could combine the power of AI with the reliability of deterministic business rules? That's exactly what we're going to show you today. Deterministic rules are essential for your Dataverse AI agent for 4 key reasons. Compliance. Ensure regulatory requirements are always met, no exceptions. Data quality. Maintain consistent data validation and formatting every single time. Business logic. Apply your organization's specific rules without any variation. And reliability. Remove uncertainty from critical decision points that could impact your business. Let's look at a real example. Imagine you're processing credit card applications. You have specific eligibility rules for platinum, gold, and silver cards based on annual income, total assets, and credit scores. With traditional AI, you might get different recommendations for identical applications. With North52's deterministic rules, every customer with the same financial profile gets exactly the same result, every single time. Here's how the North52 solution works in 3 simple steps. First, your Copilot agent is set up with a tool that calls a custom action. Second, a formula runs on that custom action, evaluating eligibility based on the values provided by the agent. Finally, the system returns a definitive result, whether they're eligible, what card type they qualify for, and their exact credit limit. Let's build this step by step. First, we create a global unbound action with specific parameters. For inputs, we need annual income, total assets, and credit score, all as required integers. For outputs, we define result as a required boolean, plus optional credit limit and card type fields. Next, we create our formula in the North52 app using the Decision Suite. Navigate to Business Process Activities, then Formulas, and then create a new formula. Set your source entity to N52 command, formula type to action, and select the decision table editor. Name it Action-Credit Card Eligibility, and link it to your custom action. The magic happens in the Decision Suite's decision tables. We'll create 3 separate sheets, 1 each for platinum, gold, and silver card eligibility. Each table defines exact thresholds for income, assets, and credit score. Finally, we connect everything to your Copilot agent. Add a new tool, select Microsoft Dataverse, then perform an unbound action in selected environment, configure your connection, provide a clear name and description so the agent can identify it easily, then map your input parameters. Make sure to enable should prompt user so that the agent asks for the required information when it's missing. Now for the exciting part, testing. Your agent can now handle both natural language requests and simple responses. Whether someone asks, can I get a credit card with 80k income, 200k assets, and 750 credit score? Or just provides the numbers, your agent will use the deterministic rules to provide exactly the same answer every time. The AI handles the conversation naturally, but the business decisions are rock-solid reliable. Remember these key points. Test your rules thoroughly, use clear parameter names, and document your decision logic. The beauty of this approach is that you get the conversational intelligence of AI combined with the reliability of business rules. That's how you implement deterministic rules for your Microsoft Dataverse AI agent using North52's Decision Suite. Your agents will now provide consistent, reliable results while maintaining their AI-powered conversational abilities. If you're ready to try this yourself, check out the full knowledge article link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more North52 tutorials.